Welcome to a new market update, guys. It's Sunday, so we're back with a market update. First of all, a late Merry Christmas and already Happy New Year, of course. 2026 is going to be a big year for all of us. But as always, not too much talk. Let's get right into it. Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and gold. Just the usual three, no exception. Because last week, of course, our holidays, end of the year, there's not much volume. Not really that much happened. So let's start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin, didn't really do that much. They created a move up, move down here, but since last weekend, Sunday, Monday, they tried to gain, failed. They took out this liquidity here from this big wig of this move. After they dumped it, now they're ranging a bit, and you see since Friday, this weekend, there's not really much happening. You can see here, Bitcoin since midnight today, GG's. So I'm just going to show levels on Bitcoin with this support here, but wouldn't be paying too much attention to this level. It's mainly this box at this level to gain, and then we have this support. If you lose the support, it's this big box, and once we get into this zone, it's not looking good, but we're still not there. It's still what, a 10% bump, 5%, my bad. So we got our levels everywhere. Also shared in the Discord server, of course. Link is in the description. Make sure to join. So there's not really much I can talk about for Bitcoin. Last year we also saw way less volume during the last days of the year, but that was from like the 20th of December, 21st of December, while we did still have some moves. Even on Friday we did have some volume on the 26th, and last year that wasn't really the case. I believe, I haven't checked, but if I remember correctly, that wasn't really the case last year. So we might see some more volume than normal or than last year's, but I don't expect until like the third or the fourth to the price makes a move like this or like this. Probably be until here, like max this, which doesn't mean you can't trade. There will be moves like this move is also tradable, but of course it's not really nice to trade in this small range with not much volume, but it's alright. Then we have Ethereum, same thing in this range since last week. Same as Bitcoin, they tried to make the move, but also failed. But they left some level to gain here, this box. And below, Ethereum has some support levels, 3 here, and then you got the main box like on Bitcoin. It's looking alright, same as Bitcoin. It's a lot of repetition, but it is what it is this week. Ethereum has their levels, has their support levels, resistance levels, levels to gain, levels to hold. It is what it is. Currently, for our time frame, we see not really that much is happening. Same on Ethereum, like on Bitcoin. We're a bit ranging. There were moves given, but mainly just creating liquidity locally. There's not like much structure in here like we were seeing here. There was a bit more structure there, but expect Ethereum to range here in the coming days, and then maybe after make the move up or down depending on where the market wants to move to. It's going to be a short video because there's not really that much to talk about, but gold, 4th week in a row, 5th week in a row that I'm making these market update videos, and for gold in general it's like the 50th week in a row, maybe even more, that it's only up. We made a new all-time high last week and we broke it already. We made a new all-time high this week, I believe on Friday, new all-time high. It's only up for gold, and I wouldn't be trying to look for shorts. I said it here because there's a lot of long liquidity in this range. When we were around here, I think I mentioned over here, but price didn't care. They didn't need those orders, they didn't need those liquidity, so they just started pumping again. So I guess you don't want to look for shorts, just continuation longs. If you see, for example here, almost tapped our zone, but there were some places here, I don't have the levels anymore, but for example this is your main hold now. Also this of course, but if price comes here, you can surely just play the continuation. I know it's scary and not that smart because we're already up there, not even in my camera, up there already for gold. It's not smart to long. You mainly want to look for shorts, but it's only up, and I've been saying look for shorts, but if it's only up, it's only up. I'm not a predictor, unfortunately. So mainly look for continuation longs on gold, I guess, because there's not really a level above, and price is just grinding up. Of course, we saw some type of pullback a few weeks ago, but after that, it's only up for gold. So the past week we saw some more volume than at this time last year, but still not that much. There was one big move given, just one move given on Friday, Thursday, but in the weekend, surely in the weekend, now you see it over here. Nothing is really happening. Gold is, of course, market is closed. So that is it, kind of it for this week. I'd say enjoy the families, enjoy the holidays with your family and friends, and then after those holidays are over, back to grinding, back to working, back to trading.